So suppose we have a set of data, XY data, that we want to find the y-axis intercept for. So we might, for example, plot our data to see how it looks. So we can plot a line and spline connected, for example. We'll choose our XY data, and we'll get something that looks like this. So let's put that aside for a second. What we're interested in is, where does this cross the x is equal to 0 point? What is the value of the line at that point? What we can do is a little trick with origin. If we go into File, New, from Template, Interpolate X or Y, this will load a pre-populated function sheet which will allow us to do this analysis. So we have our sheet here where we're going to paste our data into. So I go back into my original sheet, copy that data, and paste it into the new sheet. And you'll see that the template automatically plots that graph again. We can now put in a data point that we wish to explore. So for example, if we want to know the x is equal to 0 point, we can find y at that point, and it will give us this value, 0.10869. But we can find any point. We can find, for example, the x is equal to 10 point. We can find y. This will tell us the value at that point. Or indeed, we can find any x point for a particular y. So for example, if I say x is equal to y is equal to 0.5, we can find the corresponding x value. This is a really useful little function in origin for exploring the xy points of a particular trend line.